I can't see great because of sun glare of what I'm recording, but I'm trying. To get a nice view of the Dells from the scenic boardwalk. Right down that way is where the dam is. Over in there, back behind that bridge. And it sure looks, if you were crazy and it was summertime, this river looks like it gets deep fast. And from this ledge we're on, it's obviously a rail, but I'm pretty sure you could make a sweet jump off of here in the summertime. Because it goes right down to the water. Depending on how deep it was, you could do it. That's Wisconsin Dell. Alright, we're gonna go look around.